Namaste. This is Saudamini studying in 7th standard and 12 years old. Today we are going to discuss about in technique 2 the typical individual letters about letter U. How to write letter U in cursive handwriting and non-cursive handwriting in small letters and capital letters. Before discussing about today's topic, I would like to spend a few minutes about last class topic. In the last class we discussed about letter T, how to write letter T and what are the uses and what are the defects of letter T. Letter T is also an impressive letter. We can impress your teachers with the letter T. Letter T is the teacher of all letters. Letter T is the teacher of all letters. We can say in a simple way that letter T is the teacher of all letters. Okay. By writing letter T in printer, we will write like in printer. In olden days, in some computers, letter T will be coming like one method, and we will write in our use in daily life one method, and in cursive one method, and in artistic one method. There are 4 methods for writing in cursive and non-cursive. So if you want to know them and the advantages, you can avoid acidity by writing T carefully and nicely. From where you should write from downwards to upwards, where you should write from upwards to downwards, you should observe very carefully, and if you write, you can avoid the troubles like acidity troubles. If you do not write T as skillful and without learning, you may get the troubles like acidity troubles. So for avoiding acidity troubles, learn T properly by seeing my previous class and write T carefully and avoid acidity problems. If you want to know more skillful and more exclusive on letter T, see my previous classes. Okay. Now coming to today's topic about letter U. How to write letter U? Letter U is also comes to an easy category. Letter U is come into the easiest category. Letter U. How to write letter U? We all think that letter U is nothing but a small downside curve, small downside semicircle, but we should not think that is easy letter, but we should not think that easy letter, because some people think that is a very easy letter and they will write as they like. So by writing as they like, there will be more defects on you. By more mental defects will be on you, like bad dreams. For example, like bad dreams, some kind of mental problems you will be facing by not knowing skillful about you and writing as you like. You will get some mental problems. To avoid mental problems, please see carefully and observe it and write it carefully and stepwise. Okay, starting U in cursive. First of all, we should give a tail and somewhat line, same as yes and T. We should give a line like this, and from here to baseline, we should give a handle curve, umbrella handle curve, and from here again like this, a upward facing semicircle. We should get a upward facing semicircle or upward facing oval, upward facing semi oval. From here again we should end it. Again from here we should give tail. For you, starting we should start with tail and ending we should give a umbrella handle tail. Starting and ending we should give a umbrella handed tail. Okay. Coming to cursive letters, how to write capital U. Here we should give tail, a small tail. From here onwards we should write same as small u, and here we should give tail like this. For capital U we should give the tail like this. This is tail for capital U, means like this. We should keep a nod. Lastly, for giving tail, we should give nod and we should expand it till outside. And to write U more artistically, you can write like this, like T. You can, like capital letter cursive T. You can give like this, water wave, and from here you should give like this, and from here S shape, here a ribbon shape, ending you should give a ribbon shape, middle U, and starting a water shape. This can be more artistic. By this also you can impress anybody, and you can write this as in the painting books or anything. You can use it as artistic. And coming to non-cursive U, how to write non-cursive U? From upwards to downwards, and downwards to upwards, and again upwards to downwards. Means from middle onwards, from middle part upper line to base line, you should draw oval semicircle facing upside, and lastly you should give umbrella handle tail. And coming to non-cursive U, how to write? And coming to non-cursive U, in some printers it will be like this, in some computers and printers, see, same like this, and at last they will give a small like this, small line, a small line which is visible, a small line is consisted. Here we gave tail. In our general we will give a tail like this, but in some computers we will find U as with a small visible line and this, but in some computers we will see U as like this also, small u we will see like this also. Now coming to capital U, how to write capital U in cursive? Same we should write U. We should not have any head, any starting tail or ending tail. This should not have any starting tail or ending tail, like this. This is capital U. Okay. In today's class we discussed about how to write letter U in technique 2, typical individual letters in cursive and non-cursive handwriting in small and capital letters. In next class we are going to discuss about letter V in technique 2, the typical individual letters in cursive handwriting and non-cursive handwriting in small letters and capital letters, how to write and what are the uses and defects of letter V. So if you want to see my further classes and lessons, please subscribe us and follow us.